This is creamy spinach and chicken with salads. This meal is gorgeous to eat and is high in minerals and protein. A fantastic meal. All of these products can be purchased from Tesco's. What you will need is baby spinach, garlic, cream, chicken breasts, rice, onions, lettuce and purple lettuce. It is completely optional to have mint sauce or vinegar to go with the salad that comes with this meal. Turn your oven on and then grab a pan and fill it up to 3/4 full. Then place it on the stove. Also grab a frying pan, grab some butter, about the same amount that I'm grabbing, then just place it onto the pan. I'm using max heat for this pan with the butter on. Grab your baby spinach, open it up and place it all in the pan. Make the best effort to not make a mess. You're probably going to make a mess, I sometimes do. Just make sure you clean it up, otherwise it's not going to be a very safe environment to cook. Let it cook, mix it about, and it will shrink to the size that you can see it, and then just place it into a bowl like I'm doing right now. Then immediately place your chicken inside of the frying pan. Grab your garlic, split the edges so you can get the skin off more easily, and then once the skin off, you want to crack it in half like you'll see in a second. Exactly like this. Just crack it in half with the knife. Then once it's all been squashed, then you want to slice it like how you'll see in the video. Make sure to be quick, but not too quick, because you're letting your chicken cook at this moment. Otherwise you'll be standing around waiting for your stuff to be cooked. By the same token, don't be so long that you miss the timings for the stuff you're cooking at the moment. Once it's sliced, just place it in with your chicken and let it cook. Give it a bit of a mix and a shake up like I'm doing here. Then place your rice in the pan that has boiling water occurring at the moment. As you can see in this video, that's exactly what I'm doing. Then give it a good mix. Don't spend too long mixing it, just a little mix. Once you are happy, go off and grab your cream, open it up and place all of it inside there, providing it is less than 500 milliliters. The trick is to try and not let the cream boil too much, otherwise it will crinkle and not taste very nice and be in a poor texture. So give it a little shake, then turn down the temperature on it. As you can see, I'm turning it from 6 to 4. And then put your spinach inside of there. Then mix it all up. Whilst we let that cook, we're going to slice our lettuce. So slice the edges off and slice a little bit off like this and slice it like how you can see it in this video. Slicing it up like this makes it really nice and neat and easy to eat when you have it in a salad all together. And then you want to go off and slice your other lettuce. Then when both lettuces have been sliced, then you want to slice your onions, because these are going to be combined together in this salad. You want to make sure you slice the edges off like how you see in this video, and then slice a little bit off like how you see here right now. Slice a tiny bit into the skin, then you're able to peel it all off really easily. And then you just split it in half and then slice it like how you can see in this video, and this can be a really nice way to slice it all up. Once it's all sliced, go ahead, pick it all up and place it into the bowl, and then mix it all together. Make sure it's all nice and mixed and it's all in random places like how you can see. Then you have the choice to either use vinegar or mint sauce. Now when you use vinegar, use a fair bit. You'll use more than what you actually think to make sure this tastes good. And with mint sauce, still use a fair bit. Make sure it's all over the lettuce and onions. As you can see, we're using a fair bit here. Not too much, just enough. You now want to check your chicken, give it a nice shake, and then check your rice. Scoop it up, grab a little bit out, and then taste it. If it tastes ready, that means it's ready. Then once it's ready, take it to the tap, make sure the hot water has been running, and then pour all the rice into a rice strainer, like this. And then this will allow all the water to escape, and you extract the rice. And then pour all the water in there again, This will help collect all the remaining rice inside of the pan. Rather than being an idiot and scrape it out with your fingers, you can use the water. And then give it a good shake, like how you can see here, under the hot water. And then once you've done, place the rice strainer on top of your pan to allow all the water to drip out. Give it about a minute or so. Check your chicken. Make sure you're 100% happy with this. You do not want salmonella. It'll be horrible. You don't want food poisoning. So make sure your chicken's cooked. Cut it open. There's videos, there's sources, there's information you can read to check if chicken is cooked. Make sure it is cooked. Then dish it up how you can see here. And then put your salad, your rice, and then do the chicken last, because otherwise you can make a bit of a mess of this and it makes it easier. So just do it like that, please, guys. Feel the freedom to do it however you want, whatever order you want to do it. Just bear in mind, we've done a lot of experimenting, so we found this best. So if you want to find what's best, this is probably what you're going to find is best. Once it's served up, please enjoy your meal. Have a blessed day. Stay fucking hard, guys. Come on. Another banger meal for you people. Enjoy.